East-West All-Star softball game from Saturday night. West on top 5-2 in the top of the 7th inning. This is Samantha Samaripa from Harlingen South. No doubt about her, over the fence, a 2-run home run for Samaripa as Summer Smith comes in to score and from West Local High School. And Samaripa there, first home run of the game, and just an excellent job there to get the East back into this contest. 5-4 now the score. 2 batters later, Dorothy Millan from San Benito, another home run. This one ties the game 5-5. Now we go to the bottom of the 7th inning. Gabby Castillo at the plate here. Little pop into shallow right field. The ball falls. A score comes in here, and it's 6-5 with the West now on top. Then it's more West. Samantha Garcia hitting this one again, shallow right. And Ozzy Hereda comes in to score to make it 7-5, West leading. Then more West right here. The chopper to the third baseman, getting the out at first base. They come home to score again, and then things get a little crazy here. They throw it a second here. The ball gets away. Watch the runner. She picks up the helmet and starts running home. Rounds third. That's Yvonne Garcia without the helmet. She scores right there to make the score 9-5 West. And the West All-Stars, they win it by a final score of 9-5.